Number 5. Victory 3 Burner Propane Gas Grill. If you're in the market for a versatile gas grill, you should check out the Victory 3 Burner Propane Gas Grill. One standout feature of this grill is the large infrared side burner, perfect for searing steaks with its 12,000 BTU power. While not ideal for a full meal, having this additional cooking space next to the main area makes multitasking a breeze. One of the biggest benefits of this grill is the generous main cooking area of 464 square inches, along with the 162 square inch warming rack. The space allows you to cook a variety of foods simultaneously. Additionally, the left side shelf is a convenient spot for holding drinks, and the 8 built-in grill tool hooks keep your cooking utensils within easy reach. What stands out the most about this grill is its combination of traditional gas grill features with the added infrared capabilities of the side burner. The ability to sear meats quickly and efficiently while having ample space for other foods is a game changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. While some may find the lack of a full meal cooking capability on the side burner a downside, the main cooking area more than makes up for it. The Victory 3 Burner Propane Gas Grill is a solid choice for those looking for a grill that offers versatility and efficiency in their outdoor cooking experience. For a grill that combines traditional gas grilling with infrared capabilities, the Victory 3 Burner Propane Gas Grill is definitely worth a closer look.